I think, salt water yun. Kaya nga dapat nagdala kayo ng mga baking soda kung ano kayo, nasubukan nyo. Bakit siya salt water? Siguro, hanggang ngayon, yan pa lang ang salt water pool sa Pilipinas na open to the general public. Bakit sa salt water? Kasi kailangan we have to live up to our name. Eco Park tayo, so we have to be ecologically friendly. So kaya yan saltwater pool because we don't use chlorine. Because chlorine is a very toxic material, no? So ang ginagamit lang natin are ordinary salt granules. These are broken down but may special filter yan. Tapos nagiging natural chlorine yan. So anong advantages yan? Number one, hindi siya sa balat, hindi siya harmful sa balat. Mas safe siya sa mga bata at saka sa mga elderly, lalo na yung mga nag-aaral pa ng lumangoy, yung mga accidentally nakakainom ng tubig. It's not toxic. So hindi kagaya ng chlorine, pag naparami yung inom mo, bigla na masisira tiyan mo, magkakasakit ka. It's safer, no? What else? We have the shell flower terraces there. We have the Lopez Picnic Grounds, which is 3 hectares of picnic grounds na nasa ilalim ka ng puno, no? Hindi kagaya kunyari mag-picnic ka sa Luneta, pag mainit, sunog ka talaga. Dito, masarap kahit yung weather, makikita nyo, mahangin, hindi siya ganun kainit. And you are assured of fresh air. Ang makikita nyo dito are things na yung ayaw na namin kayong lumayo. Like may balak pa kami magkaroon ng horseback riding activity dyan. Kasi di ba dati, para makapag-horseback ka, punta ka pa Antipolo, Tagaytay, Baguio. Paano naman yung mga hindi kayang pumunta doon ng mga taga Metro Manila? We want to give them a chance naman to experience those things, no? Kaya even if you check yung mga facilities rates natin, entrance rates, napakababa niya, no? Napaka-reasonable. Yan, nakikita nyo, may mga pumupunta dito, naka-tricycle lang, kasi affordable ang Eco Park. Kasi sinasadya yan nung isa naming partner, yun nga, si Mayor Belmonte. Because si Mayor Belmonte wants this to be a people's park. Yung kahit yung maliliit na tao, they can afford it. Ganun.
Okay. So, assess the condition of the Eco Park. Do you abide the rules?
Yeah, ngayon, ang Eco Park, di ba nakita nyo, marami kaming rules, especially about yung waste segregation, basura, and mga ganyan. It's because we are not just a park, we are Bantay Kalikasan, so advocacy kami. So kami naniniwala na, alam mo, sa laki ng problema sa environment, sa nature, we have global warming, we have climate change, buong planeta na ang apektado. It's a global problem na hindi kayang lutasin ng isang tao, isang organisasyon, isang bansa, hindi kakayanin. Kailangan, naniniwala ang Bantay Kalikasan na para matugunan itong problemang ito, kailangan lahat magtulong-tulong tungkol dito. And kami naman, ang contribution namin dito is to spread the awareness. Like to you students, no? To the people who visit here, yun ang ginagawa namin. Para pag alis nila, nag-enjoy na sila, may natutunan pa sila kahit konti. Tungkol sa environment na we hope na sa bahay nila, gagawin din nila. Ano ba naman yung magtanim ka sa bahay ng puno para, alam mo, ito na nga yung carbon sink ng Metro Manila, pero pag lumabas ka lang sa Commonwealth, ang dumi-dumi ng hangin dyan. Yan ang pinaka-pruweba na kulang ang puno sa Metro Manila. No? So hindi lang sa mga parks dapat magtanim o ay kahit saan na pwedeng tamnan, dapat magtanim tayo para makatulong tayo. Another thing is, yung sa basura, ang laki-laki ng problema ng Metro Manila sa basura. Pero dito makikita mo na it's a picnic place. Marami kaming waste dito, kitchen waste. Pero we are able to cope kasi we practice strict segregation of waste and we have a vermicompost facility there. Alam niyo ba kung ano yan? Ano yan? Mga bulati yan.
Pinunta namin.
Diyan namin tinatapon ang iba naming basura. And it is converted into compost which you can turn into non-toxic pesticide, pataba, maraming paggagamitan yan, So, yun yung mga ginagawa namin dito at sinishare namin sa mga bisita, sa mga estudyante na we hope that, maiuwi na nila to, i-practice nyo kahit sa school ninyo, you can do this And it's very good for the environment.
Marami. Yeah. Yun lang po, sir.
Oh,
Thank
yun
you
lang.
very much.
Okay, I hope may
Promote
natutunan
mo
ka.
ba?
I hope may natutunan kayo. And
Opo, marami.
They're gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen out of you. Because they sleep with a gun and keep an eye on you, son, so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they gonna give you a smirk, cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They gonna rip up your heads, your aspirations to shreds. Another cog in the murder machine. They said I'm teenagers scared the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes, I'll strike a violent pose. Maybe it'll leave you alone, but not me. The boys and girls in the clique, the awful names at the stick. You're never gonna fit in much, kid. But if you're troubled and hurt, what you got under your shirt will make them pay for the things that they did. They said, "Oh, teenagers scared the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes,